day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Galaxy Fit 3 device. And one of its smart feature of this wearable is the media controller or the music control function. So we have here the media controller. So as you can see here, you can go forward, backward, play, and adjust the volume of the media or the music that you are going to play. So we are going to check with this one, okay, and see if it works with popular applications or it will work with our built-in music player. Popular applications such as Spotify, YouTube Music, TikTok, or Pocket FM. So we are going to check on that. Okay, we are going to try and connect this media controller to the following applications. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, let's start. So let's have our smartphone here. Let's check first the Galaxy wearable. Okay, do we have some settings here that we have to set? Let's check. General, let's see. Okay, seems like there's no settings that we have to set. Okay, seems like everything is automatically connected for our media controller. So let's start. Let's open our built-in music player here. Media controller. So it's detecting, and we have here the deeper meaning. So next, let's play. Okay, next. So we have the title here. We even have the photo or the album cover here, music cover. Stop. Next. Next. Going back. Play. Adjust the volume. Going back. Next. Adjust the volume. Going back and stop. Okay, so far it works for our built-in music player. And what are the details that we can see here on the media controller? We have the play, pause, volume control, go forward, and go backward. Okay, and of course the title of the song or the audio. Okay, next let's open the Spotify. Okay, so we'll just mute it, okay, to avoid any copyright issues. So let's pick with this Bruno Mars here, 24K Magic. Then as you can see here, it automatically changes to Bruno Mars 24K Magic. Stop, go forward. Okay, next, go backward. Let's see if it will go backward. Okay, so the same with other applications, that is not possible with Spotify. Play. Okay, so it works as you can see here. So let's adjust the volume. Okay, so it works so far with our Spotify account. We have the title here. We have the play, pause, go forward or go to the next song, and volume control. Okay, then next, YouTube application. Again, let's pick a video here. So this is an ad. Let's see, skip. Okay, as you can see here, it changes. Okay, we are now connected. Next, stop, play, next, go backward. Let's check on the volume. Okay, so it works. Stop, go backward, and we have a logo here, as you can see, so that you will know if what is the application that is playing. Okay, stop. Okay, so far YouTube works with our media controller for the Galaxy Fit 3 YouTube Music. Okay, let's remove this first. Clear. Okay, then let's pick a song here. Perfect. Okay, let's see if this thing will change. Yes, we have here. Then next, stop, go to the next song, adjust the volume. Okay, so it works. Next, go backward. Next, adjust the volume, mute, then stop. Okay, so far it works perfectly also with the YouTube Music, as you can see here. Then next, let's see with the TikTok. Okay, let's see if this thing will work with the TikTok count. No. Okay, no, it did not work. Okay, as you can see. Okay, it's not changing to a new song or a new video. So it's not working with the TikTok account. We still have our previous music player here, this one. Okay, let's open Pocket FM. Okay, as you can see here, it changes. We have here the title of the podcast or the audio. We have the logo, volume controller. Let's play. Adjust volume.
Please go ahead. Anyway, I did.
Okay, it works. Next. The price of success. Okay, so it can go forward and backward. Play.
Jason had stolen the credit for her success.
Stop. Adjust the volume. Then that's it. Okay, so far, as you can see here, it works with popular applications here, such as Spotify. We have YouTube Music, and our built-in music player. It did not work with TikTok, but it worked with Pocket FM. Okay, so it works with this one. Okay, with no issues at all. So far, we are contented, or we are satisfied with how the media controller works with our Galaxy Fit 3. So far, it is very responsive. We have the title, as you can see here. We also have the cover, okay, thumbnail cover of the audio. We have the play, pause, go forward and backward. We also have the volume adjustment. As you can see, it works. We also have the title and of course the logo of the application, so that you will know if what is the application that is where the media controller is connected. Okay, so far that's it for our music control function, or the Bluetooth media controller function. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, especially for the media controller demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.